2023 marks Stylecraft's 70th anniversary. We wanted to celebrate the occasion with something special, and that's why we decided to bring back Bowling for Cancer. We had some great partners this year for Bowling for Cancer. Quadrat Maharam were our platinum partner. We had 16 gold partners, all contributing $3,000 each. InDesign Media were our media partner, and their studio were our branding partner. And without those companies, we would not have reached $80,000.
Collaboration in our industry is a really important thing. I think there's a beautiful synergy between what we do and what Stylecraft does. Bowling for Cancer is about three things for me. It's about fun, bringing people together in the design community, and then also the purpose that we all feel at the moment is to support and to give of ourselves.
Bowling for Cancer has donated money to various charities over the years. This year we chose the Children's Cancer Institute and the Kids Cancer Project, both independent bodies, and they both work very closely together. So we know where the money raised is actually going.
Children's Cancer Institute is Australia's only independent medical research institute that's focused solely on understanding and improving treatment and providing cures and quality of life for children with cancer.
The Kids Cancer Project is a national charity that's funding science projects across Australia, so looking for better and kinder treatments for childhood cancer research. So being able to partner with Stylecraft and their wider community and their partners, it's making a real difference at the front. So it's about moving the dial from 70 years ago when Stylecraft started, the survival rates were 20%, now they're 86%. And we're also trying to make sure the kids not only survive, they thrive and have a great quality of life.
On behalf of our researchers, on behalf of the families, the children with cancer, can I say to Stylecraft and their partners, thank you, because what you're doing is making a difference, and we will use those funds wisely to be sure that we continue on our journey of working towards one day curing every child with cancer.